How to change your WhatsApp number without losing chats. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your WhatsApp number without losing chats. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Here, tap on the settings from your bottom right corner. Then tap on Chats. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer Chats. You will see your device name right next to this option. Select your preferred device to continue. After that, tap on Start. This will transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using iCloud. In this way, you will not lose your chats after changing your WhatsApp number. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.